My favorite tool, oh my god. I mean, I would have to say probably a Leatherman actually, without making this sound like a commercial, but there's something about having a set of tools with you at all times. It's so empowering and it makes me feel like I can fix things and it makes me feel like I have control, so I like the tool that I can take with me. I remember when I was really young, maybe 3 or 4, we had this little, what's the word? I'm missing the word. Not a fence, like a fence made of stone. What's the word? Yeah, a rock wall. We had a rock wall and I had colors and was painting the rock wall, and my mother would let me do it because with the next rain all the color would wash off and I could start over again, and I really like that. So I remember painting the wall and looking forward to the next rain so I can start again. I think that might have been the first thing I made. I mean, the thing with advice is that it's always so easy to give advice in hindsight, and it's very hard to take advice when you have the way in front of you, if that makes sense. But I would say keep in mind that most people don't know what you're doing, so it's okay if you don't know what you're doing now. Like, you will figure it out along the way. Just don't let anybody tell you that this is wrong, because it might be the next really cool thing, and it might be the thing that makes you happy. So if you want to try it, try it.